Here's the premise. If you don't want one of these two, fellas to be president, then you are crazy! Do you feel crazy? Yeah, so do we. When did it become dangerous to have common sense? And how do we escape this duopoly trap? Well, we can reject this lunacy. Together. Unity 2020 is a patriotic plan to restore the Republic and empower our democracy. By nominating two patriots from the left and the right, we can end the partisan corruption that's divided us and unite America. Is it guaranteed to work? No. Is it radical? Apparently. Is it crazy? Yeah, but it's the right kind of crazy. If this stupid year has taught us anything, it's that we have no idea what is possible. Now take one more look at the sensible candidates. Which of these is the future of our country? Unity 2020. Common sense is the new crazy.